Hi, welcome to ecopenny, where we're saving the earth one tip at a time. What if you've got a floor drain that's it's a bit smelly and you want to use environmentally safe products to clean it? I'll show you how. So one thing, to make sure the drains have water in them, because if they don't have water in them, air from the sewer can come up through the house. So you've got to make sure you regularly use the sinks or the showers or whatever's in the vicinity. But if you look down, often you have to rotate this a little bit to get it off. But the grill comes off. If you look down and there's no water in there, first thing is to pour some water down and make sure it's full up. But that's got some water in there. So what I'm going to do, I've got some cleaning vinegar and bicarbonate soda or baking soda. So I'm going to use half a packet, which is about 250 grams, put down there, and put half the vinegar, just 1 litre. So 1 litre of vinegar, 250 grams of the bicarb soda. Pretty quick and easy. Don't have to be exact with the measurements, so that's half. I'll keep that for the next drain. I'm just going to pour half the bottle of vinegar. Just let that sizzle up for a while. I find in between this, you can use the Design pellets. So at the end of the day, just put a handful of pellets down the drain, let that soak. So I find maybe every week or so use these, and every couple of months do this and see how you go. So you want to avoid using dangerous and harsh chemicals like bleaches and sodium hydroxide and domestos, all that sort of stuff. It's a bit more toxic and dangerous. So these simple, sort of environmentally safe products, I think, are a lot better to use. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. Let me know in the comments down below if this has helped you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to ecopenny to get more environmental videos, eco sport videos and penny farthing videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time.